Cache Giraffe balances can disappear or fail to load when the app has a connection issue, the account data has not synced correctly, or the app needs to be refreshed. By the end, you'll know the steps to check why your Cache Giraffe balance is missing and what to do before contacting support. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can stop Cache Giraffe from loading account information correctly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app to test the balance again. Next, fully close Cache Giraffe and restart it. Leaving the app open in the background does not always refresh the account information. Force close the app, wait a few seconds, and open it again. The next step is checking for app updates. Open your device's app store and confirm that Cache Giraffe is running the latest available version. Older app versions can sometimes create problems with loading account details. You should also check that you are signed into the correct account. If you have used different login methods, such as different email addresses or account options, you may be viewing an account that does not contain your previous progress or balance information. Another useful check is clearing temporary app data. On Android devices, you can usually clear an app's cache through the device settings. This removes temporary files without removing your account information. On iPhone, reinstalling the app may be needed to refresh stored app data. If your balance is still missing, avoid creating a new account because that can make it harder to identify the original account information. Instead, collect details about the issue, including your device type, app version, account email, and what happens when you open the balance section. Then contact Cache Giraffe support with those details. A clear report helps support check whether the issue is related to your account, the app, or a temporary system problem. The main fixes are simple: refresh the app connection, confirm you are using the correct account, and make sure the app is updated. Your next step is to restart Cache Giraffe, verify your login details, and check the balance again before reaching out to support. If this guide helped you fix your Cache Giraffe balance issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.